This is 2023. All that queen talk and black queen and Nubian queen and everybody queen. Until videos like this don't exist anymore, I don't want to hear that queen talk. Really, nobody does. It's men and women that don't want to hear all that queen talk. Everybody a queen. All ethnicities and everything. Everybody's queens now. Queen of what?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you agree, leave a comment. If you disagree, leave a comment. Let me know. I'm your host, Respect, Next Generations. All right, I love you, world, man. We have to be great examples for the next generations that come after us.
Oh, wait, look. Wait, can it clap? Can you shake it just a little? Oh, wait, look. Can I grab it? I can grab it?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, can I slap it?
Yeah.
Can I eat it? Alright, so I'm Kristen out here with
Crystal.
Hey, look, can you rate my drip like 1 through 10? You know, this is real pressure. You feel me? Some slight little leather pant.
A 9.
A 10?
A 9. A 10.
Alright, a 10.
A 10.
So look, would you dare to do just like this?
Yeah.
Oh, I like you. Can you like a 360 with the camera? Let me see. Oh, wait, look, can it clap? Can you shake it? Let me see. Oh, wait, can I grab it? I can grab it?
Grab it.
Oh. Wait, can I slap it?
Slap it.
Oh, wait, can you shake it while I grab it? Let me see. Oh.
All right.
Alright, so I'm Kristen out here with
The baddest bitch.
Hey, look, can you rate my drip like 1 through 10?
I give
It's pressure.
you a 10. You a fly ass nigga.
Oh, I like you. So look, would you date a dude just like this?
Of course.
Oh, yeah, I'm pressure. Can you like a 360 for the camera? Let me see. Oh, wait, look, can it clap? Can you shake? Oh, wait, can I grab it? I can grab it? I can't grab it? Can I poke it?
You can poke it.
Oh, wait, can I just grab it, please?
Grab it.
I can grab it? Oh, wait, can I slap it? Oh, I like it. I want to eat it. Can I eat it? I can eat it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm Kristen out here with
Dominique.
Alright, look, can you rate my drip like 1 through 10?
Give you an 8.
10?
An 8.
Alright, 10. So look, would you date a dude just like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm real pressure. Can you like a 360 for the camera? Oh, wait, look, wait, can it clap? Can you shake it just a little bit? Oh, wait, no, can you shake it this way? Let me see. Oh, wait, can I grab it? One time?
No.
Can I rub it?
No.
Stick my finger? Alright, so I'm Kristen out here with
Markeisha.
Alright, look, can you rate my drip like 1 through 10? It's real pressure though, something slight.
That's something slight.
No, it's pressure.
All right, that's what I thought. But I give you a 10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I like you. So look, would you date a dude just like this?
Huh?
Would you date a dude just like this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm pressure.
Yeah.
Can you like a 360 with a camera? Let me see. Oh, look, can it clap?
Oh,
can you shake it just a little? Let me see. Can you Oh, wait, can I grab it?
Maybe.
I can grab it?
No.
One time? Can I poke it? Can I just grab it then?
Poke it.
All right, I'm sad, bro. I just want to eat. Can I eat it?
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.